A Chime SpotMe transaction can be declined for a few main reasons. First is that the transaction type is not covered. You exceeded your limit or you lost eligibility due to changes in direct deposit. First fix is the unsupported transaction type. Ensure that the transaction is a standard debit card purchase. For unsupported payment types, you must have sufficient funds in your primary checking account. Now check your exceeded limit. Your transaction amount may be higher than your current available SpotMe limit. So check your limit in the Chime app's SpotMe hub, and you can also adjust your safe limit setting if it is toggling your limit down. Now check your eligibility. You must receive a qualifying direct deposit of $200 or more into your Chime checking account, at least every 34 days to remain eligible. Now ensure that your recurring direct deposit are set up correctly. Once a new qualifying direct deposit is posted, your SpotMe eligibility and limit should be restored quickly. And that's how you can fix if your Chime SpotMe has been declined, and thank you for listening.